The question is there an integrated light kit that works with the Electra Townie Go 7D? And the answer is yes for the model 2023, and I believe it also works with the model 2022. I found out from the tech at my shop, Joel, great guy in Raleigh, and this is not visible on the main website as far as we could tell right now. So if you go into a shop, they may not know it because this is still kind of rolling out to the shop. So you may need to reference the SKU number here, which is 5271111, and they can find it on their internal system. If you want this, which is wired into your bike and internal, it will cost $97 plus probably about $100 installation fee. This is very common with companies. There's a certain level of things you want to just pay the shop to do it. As far as I can tell, this does not work with the 2021 and 2020. But again, get this confirmed yourself. I made this for the fan group I created on Facebook. And if you happen to see this outside that group, you can check the link below and it will link to the group. That group was created because this is my first electric bike and I wasn't satisfied with the support I found online and the different communities really talking about this bike because there's so many products that Trek makes. This is Martin Brossman. Have a great day. Look forward to your comments.